Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Ideas. In this video, we are going to share a best exchange platform where you can find opportunities to make profit on daily basis. We are going to share Bitget app where most of the coins in PEEP are. There is also launch pool are going to list first and compare to other platforms. Bitget is also famous and flexible for security wise and interface is very user friendly. You have to come on the Bitget to participate in the launch pool. I am going to share each and every information and I will tell you some coins that will be profitable in an airdrop way. How you can participate? Before starting this video, if you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto Ideas, subscribe my channel because we bring many ideas for you to how make money. So first of all, you can also check out there is launch pool, mean you can get a next level airdrop, million of tokens now dropped. And how it is going to work, you can check out the first one, peak. There is also a complete information. 12 million token is also going to be airdrop as there with the in projected duration is 7 days. When this event will be done, you can check out there is also a date given it to you. Next is also about the other cross token. Here are multiple tokens. There are also 11 million tokens that is going to be airdropped to the investors who are crypto enthusiast, crypto players who are searching for such opportunity where they can get this token. Next is about Puffer that is going to given you 2.7 million token as Puffer within the duration of 7 days. And you can also check out there are multiple BG pool. There is also going to offering airdrop of 16 million. So you have to ready to participate in it and create account right now. Next you can check out there is BG Soul where you can get the profit after the login into it. And next you can also check out here is BG Soul that is going to offering a best staking income. So my friends, there you can get a high annual per return 8.15%. There is also you have to create account first. For that you can come on the Bitget app. There you can put your email address and a password of 6 to 8 digit. Then you can put again refer code. After the terms and conditions you can click on the create account. You can also check out that after the creating account, let's celebrate Bitget partnership with Lalgiga. Claim the prize of 6,200 USDT worth of Bitcoin as a welcome bonus. Come on to this site where you can get staking for your asset. Stay tuned for more coins. I hope you have cleared what are the main steps that you have to follow to get profit and flexible redemption. This is very simple, easy to use and profit making Bitget exchange platform that is bringing more opportunities, more annual per returns and more staking to earn. You can check out how to convert BGO Soul into Soul. That is basically a conversion method. As usual, you can use it. I hope you have cleared. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.